What's up, friends? We're here at the Captain's Hideaway, and it's been 1 year since we started developing our RV home base. A lot of people have asked us, what is the Captain's Hideaway? The short answer is, it's our RV home base that we've kind of opened up for our friends, the general public, other campers, to come out here and enjoy what this area is. Taylor County, Keaton Beach. We're so excited just to share it all with you. So come along real quick. I'm going to show you the campground, the sites, and we'll take a quick ride around and show you what's real close by and what there is to enjoy out here. Just over a year ago, back in December 2020, me and Apple closed on this 1 acre parcel out here in Taylor County, just a mile from the Gulf, with the idea that we wanted to create a RV home base just for ourselves. Once we got going on this whole project, we decided we wanted to open it up and make a little boutique campground that was affordable, that everyone could come out here and enjoy. Tent campers, RVers alike. We started with this. Just lots of brush and shrubs. We couldn't even walk the property. It was so thick. So we brought in a forestry mulcher, cleared the land, but we didn't want everyone to be on top of each other. So coming on in, our first campsite, this is site number 1. And this can accommodate like up to a, low 40-foot fifth wheel. And we've had folks stay with us. They have no problems. They love it. We got full hookups. So our property is still very much a work in progress. Some of the minis we have full hookups for your camper if you're coming by. We got the full 50, 30, 20 amp plug, water, and sewer hookups right here. Our water is fantastic. We're hooked right into the Florida aquifer, 72 degrees year round. It's crystal clear, there's no filter. The water is absolutely perfect. We even have high-speed internet here. Every site has a big steel fire pit for you to hang out at. If you want to just be alone, relax, enjoy. You got your fire pit right here. Next, we got our common area fire pit. If you want to come and hang out with your fellow campers, this is the place to do it. Big fire pit. We got the string lighting around here. Makes for a nice place to hang out. We got a picnic table, little tiki bar, all kinds of cool little goodies. So just hang out, relax, cook some food on the fire if you'd like to. The oak around here makes some good cooking. Site 4 is a dream come true for tent campers and RVers alike. We can accommodate to, smaller to mid-sized campers, no problem. We have a 80-foot turnaround all the way here in the back, which is reserved just for site 3 and 4. We got our big steel fire pit for you back here. Of course, all of our sites have full hookups. And we have one other little thing just special for our tent campers, because we want to make sure you guys are taken care of too. Just a quick walk this way, and I can't wait to show you guys this. You're gonna love it. Just for you tent campers. Just kidding. RVers are welcome to use this too. We got a little outhouse for you guys. Check this out. Open the barn door, step right in. Check out this rainfall shower we got for you guys. Come in here and check this out. So we got rainfall shower plus the wand. We got an instant hot. You're gonna never run out of hot water. Plus, of course, we got the potty here for you. And all this is just a quick walk right from our main community fire pit. Let's go take a quick ride around the neighborhood and we could show you all the little creature comforts that are right here for you. You don't have to go all the way to town. We got some stores, some restaurants, and some amazing sunsets. Let's go check it out.
Let's go for a quick ride and see what's in close proximity to us.
Right. Let's go for a ride.
Our first stop is Walter B's. It's a gas station, it's a grocery store, it's a tiki bar, full service deli, and less than a mile away from the Captain's Hideaway. If you're looking for a place just to get a bite and a brew, this is definitely the place to be. Just a quick drive or maybe even a bike ride away. You can hang out here at the tiki bar, fill up your gas right there, or go into the convenience store / grocery right there.
This is Walter B's. We love this place. If you're camping, you need a place to grab some beer, grab some steaks, grab some groceries, this is it. They got it all. Come here, check us out. They got all your supplies here. If you need some repair stuff, you can get that. They got a whole selection of beer back here. And
Hello.
if you guys,
Hi.
if you guys need groceries, they got that here too. They got a whole little section. They got some steaks. They got your barbecue, pork, every little thing you might need. This is the place to get it. Less than a mile away, so everything is here. This is your own little camp store at the Campground Tour. It's awesome. And for you fishermen out there, they got all the tackle and supplies you might need. Go fishing because hey, we're in a fishing town, right? And if you break your sewer hose, they even got some stuff for that too.
Let's go in this tiki bar and check this place out. Oop. I think they're closed.
Yeah, they're closed right now.
I'll take what's on draft, please. Hello? Anyone?
There's also a full service deli inside, so they can cook you burgers, chicken wings.
Steak night's good.
Oh yeah.
When they have steak night, you're gonna get your ribeye steak cooked the way you want it on paper plates and your sides of your cheese grit in a styrofoam bowl, but it's so good. Oh my God. All right, let's go to the next place. Where are we going next?
We'll go to the boat ramp.
Oh. Our next stop is the Keaton Beach boat ramp. It's just a few minute drive up the way and you have direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. Just before Keaton Beach boat ramp, there's the Keaton Beach Bums. It's also a gas station and grocery, but they have a wide selection of craft beers. And just in that pink building over there is your laundry. Let's just continue on because the boat ramp is right there.
We're here at the Keaton Beach boat ramp. This place can accommodate boats of pretty much any size. So whether you got a dinghy or a 40-foot center console, bring it along. Keep between the navigational markers or beacons. Now they wouldn't call it Keaton Beach if there wasn't a beach, right?
Right.
Let's go check out Keaton Beach. You want to be like Zach Brown and have your toes in the water, ass in the sand? This is it. This is Keaton Beach. Awesome little beach. Very secluded. It's kind of a busy day out here today. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. If fishing's your thing, you don't have a boat, feel free to come out here and check this place out. Out here at the end of the pier is a covered pavilion where you can get out of the sun, do some fishing. Nice long pier, plenty of fishing, no pollution. It is awesome out here. All right, guys, nobody likes it when a thunderstorm ruins their just fantastic afternoon. Now, one of the unique things about Keaton Beach here, a lot of the storms, they just stay north of us. They sprout up inland and they head north, away. A lot of times, this is more like that.
The last place that's in close proximity to the Captain's Hideaway is this little watering hole / restaurant. It's this cute little outdoor, family-friendly, on one side bar and the other side place called Nowhere Grill. Well, I'm starved, so let's go get a snack and a beer at Nowhere Grill. Even though we're in North Florida, doesn't mean we can't still live a little bit of that island life. Kind of the feel you get up here. I mean, we're right on the water, a little sleepy fishing town. It's real nice. And this is where all the locals come hang out and get a snack, get a beer, get dinner. Come at night for karaoke on some nights. There's poker on other nights. It's a lot of fun. Come on, let's go get something.
All right. Thank you. Cheers. So ever since we got our spot here in Keaton, this has been the place we come.
Yeah.
Our friends, Traveling Robber, Average Campers, all the YouTubers out here, you know.
And all the cool friends we've made.
Yeah, this is the spot we come for a bite and a brew. So, yeah.
And karaoke.
And
I
karaoke.
still
They got
can't
some
get
good
them
live
to sing.
music. They got poker here. Yeah. So while you're visiting us out here, make sure you check out the Nowhere Grill. It's awesome.
You got nowhere to go and nowhere to be.
Yeah.
Welcome to nowhere.
Oh yeah, right here. Look at that. Looks good. Thank you. That looks good. Now who's hungry?
Oh, me. Ooh, it's hot. Hot. Oh, wow.
They're doing good. These shrimp are fantastic. Delicious. That was very filling. What do you think?
Oh, it's delicious. Definitely a
Yeah.
good spot.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna head back over to Captain's Hideaway.
Light a
Me-
campfire, maybe?
Yeah, meet up with some friends and then head back to our real home base. Man, there's something about this wonderful water, you know. It's great. So, you come and visit us at the Captain's Hideaway, you got something to look forward to.
All right, you guys better subscribe to Apple and Raw. Just press that there button, and you're going to be part of the family, just like me.
Yeah. Thanks, Billy Bob.
All right, guys.